Lion goes roar, so bold and deep. Elephant trumpets, no time for sleep. Zebra neighs like a horse that runs. Giraffe hums low when the day is done. Hyena laughs, baboon barks loudly in a tree. Crocodile growls down by the lake. Hippo grunts when it's time to wake. And tell me now, what sound you make from forest deep to jungle lake. Every creature has a say, come along and shout hooray. Cow goes moo in the barn so wide. Sheep says baa in the field outside. Pig says oink, rolling in the mud. Duck goes quack in a waddling thud. Rooster crows